Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sylvanian Families Celebration Windmill Gift Set.
It has the polar bear mother and polar bear baby in here with large furniture set and our building, of course. Well, on the top of our box we can see the inside and the outside of our windmill.
And here are some close-up pictures for our mill, including showing the functions of it. And here we can also find the story, which tells us that all green mountains tucked away in the depths of the forest, here we find the most beautiful place in the world, Sylvanian Village, with the home of the most tender-hearted friends in the whole world. If you listen to the wind, you'll hear their happy chatter. And a lot of Sylvanian animals.
And let's finally unbox our set.
Some unnecessary cardboard, polar bears, some more cardboard,
some kind of box. Now empty. Some instructions. Well, I finally opened our mystery box. There is such a platform here. Our large furniture set in blue color. Another box. And another platform.
And let's take out our polar bears. So first I'll take out the mommy in her pretty nice yellow and blue dress with a really lovely bow in the middle. And the last bear is the baby. It's the girl who is wearing the light pink dress with the light yellow line.
So there are such few things for our meal. The ladder, some fences, another thing for meal, a piece of roof, the swing, and the little balcony. So let's attach the structure here, and it's spinning like this. And now let's attach the swing. Putting the floor. Attaching the balcony. Attaching the piece of roof. Putting the porch. And attaching our fences.